Hello everyone, myself M. Dushyant, studying first year BE Electronics and Communication Engineering in SNS College of Technology. I gonna share a few words about a growing electronics company, Boat. Before getting into the video, let's know what is Business Model Canvas. Business Model Canvas is often called as BMC. It's a great tool to help you to understand a business model in a straightforward and in a structural way. It was proposed by Alexander Osterwalder in the year 2005. Business Model Canvas BMC undergoes 9 points: customer segments, customer relationship, channels, value proportions, key activities, key resources, key partners, cost structure, and revenue streams. These are the factors that lead the business model canvas. Let's know about Boat. Boat is an Indian-based consumer electronics brand established in the year 2015, which markets various products such as earphones, stereo earphones, travel chargers, rugged cables, power banks, etc. Imagine Marketing Private Limited, which does its business as Boat. The founders of Boat were Samir Ashok Mehta and Aman Gupta. Boat was established in the year 2015. The CEO of the Boat was Aman Gupta. Headquarters of the Boat company was located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The number of employees working in Boat were 305. The Boat company comes under the private sector. The annual revenue earned by Boat is about 50 crores and the net worth market value of Boat is 704 crores. The first thing that comes under BMC is customer segment. Massive, huge and urban markets, and most people prefer quality products at a cheaper price. Boat makes quality products at a low price and sell it on markets to fulfill the needs of the customer. Boat provides promotional offers and special exciting offers for their beloved customers. And also, Boat provided better and first class support to the customers on the time of claiming warranty. Next thing that comes under BMC is value proposition. Boat provides 24/7 customer service to their customers by replacing the defect product with a warranty period of 1 year. Boat sells quality products at a cheaper price and attracting the people, and it became a highly trusted brand. Boat sells wide range of electronic products like headphones, earphones, travel chargers, rugged cables, smartwatch, etc. Boat also arrange exclusive product launch events to explain the features of their products. The next thing that comes under business model canvas is channels. Boat promotes its products on various platforms like e-commerce websites such as Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, etc. and through Boat official website and social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. and through TV advertisement which can reach the people easily. The next thing that comes under BMC is customer relationship. Boat not only producing quality products but also provides a quality customer support. Boat offers great deals and discounts to the customer to attract people. Boat gets good and cool reviews on their products, which strengthens the relationship between company and customer. And also, Boat maintains a healthy relationship with customers. The next thing that comes under BMC is key resources. Boat have trusted fund partners like Qualcomm for the development and growth of the company. Boat also have a numerous amount of loyal customers towards them. And also, Boat have an easy and a reliable payment system which help them for the development of their company. The next thing that comes under BMC is key activities. Boat have a special R&D section to bring new innovations on their products. Boat introduces new designs that attracts youth and also on all category of peoples. Boat have a wide range of product catalog for the customers, and Boat has built and managing vast seller network among country. The next thing that comes under BMC is key partners. Both have an easy and reliable payment system and payment partners for the betterment of the company. Both owns trusted sellers and manufacturers and distributors of the products. This helps both company to grow. The next thing that come under BMC is cost structure. Both spend on the maintenance of their warehouse in which their manufactured products are stored. Both spends for the salaries and welfare of the workers, and both also spends for the data maintenance and other maintenances. At last, revenue streams. Both is a company that earn through their wide range of products. Finally, I conclude that these are the factors that is very important in the BMC business model canvas.